here. Take that. Okay, pull it. Pull it open. Okay. Open it. Hurry up. Okay, give that to Mama. Okay. There. You gotta open it in order to see what it is. You gotta lift this off. Lift it off. There you go. Rip it.
Knock it off.
Okay, hurry up. Pull over here. Pull it. There you go. One more. There you go. Hey, go ahead. Keep going.
What is it?
Yeah. Pull it. Open it. There you go.
Ooh, Brayden.
What's that?
It's a song and story learning chair.
Yeah.
It's for you.
Ooh.
It's for you.
It's like, how do you open it?
It's music time.
Cool. Yeah.
You get books soon.
I'm gonna put this right here because you have a lot more.
The only one's books.
Put that right here. Come here, look. Ready? Look more. Look. What's in here?
What's that?
Open it. Right here.
It feels like a book.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. What is that? Open it right here. Pull it. There you go. Good job. More. More. Here. Pull it. There you go.
Good job.
Book.
Hey, that's a book.
Yay, it's a book. Ooh,
kind of
look
book
at
is
that.